how to create an STC Pay digital Visa card. First, go to your STC Pay app on your smartphone devices. Log into your credentials and hit on Cards tab on the lower portion of the app. Now hit on Digital Card as shown and pick your desired design. Now there will be a 20 reals annual fee for this one. Just hit on Select and hit on Continue. In this case, we will approve some terms and conditions. You may want to read all of this, but in my case, I'm just gonna hit on Approve. Alright, now hit on Continue. In this case, we will nominate a 4-digit passcode for our digital Visa card. And hit on Confirm. Now your digital card has been created. In order for you to check some details of your card, just hit on the airplane icon right here for card benefits information. Now it says here that you have 0.5 cash back. You can also add this card to your Apple payments afterwards. To check your card's information, you might want to click on the card information option right here and view your card number, cardholder name, expiration date, and a CVV too. And I think that is it for today's video. I hope this finds you help. Hope to see you in the next one.